Okay, so in this video, I'd like to go a bit more in depth into two very important concepts as they relate to functions, the domain and the range. So let's start with the domain. So the domain is really the input. So domain is input. And so let's look at our token machine example. What is this token machine going to take in? For simplicity, let's just say that our token machine will take in $1. It will take in $5 bills. It'll take in $10 bills, or it will take in $20 bills. So that would be the domain of our token machine. Now, what the token machine is going to give us out would be called the range. So the range is the output. And let's say that for every dollar we put in, we get 4 tokens out. So let's just, for simplicity again, say it will only take in 1 bill at a time. And so if we put in $1 bill, we would get 4 tokens out. If we put in $5 bills, or I'm sorry, a $5 bill, we would get 20 tokens out. If we put in $10 bills, we would get 40 tokens. I'm just going to write a T for token. And if we put in 20, we would get 80 tokens out. So that would be considered the range of our token machine. And again, the domain would be here in pink. It would be these dollar bill values there. Okay, so now let's go on to our other machines and find the domain and range of those. Okay, so let's go to our car wash. So this one is going to be a little more conceptual because it doesn't really have to do with numbers, but the concept still applies. So the domain is the input. What does our car wash take in? It really takes in the set of dirty cars, right? So I could list out if I wanted, right? I could say, oh, it takes in, a dirty Toyota, a dirty Fiat, but I'm just going to say dirty cars is the set of things that it will take in, right? This is called a restricted domain, which I'm not going to go too far into that yet. I will actually talk about that in a minute. So let's just pause there. But yeah, so the domain of this is dirty cars. What is the range going to be? The range is what we get out. We get out our clean car, right? So we would call the range the set of clean cars. Now let's go over to the dishwasher. The dishwasher, what is the domain of that? It would be the set of our dirty dishes, right? And what do we get out of that? We get out the set of clean dishes, right? So you see my point here. Again, of course, it's not a perfect analogy, but it's a pretty good analogy. So let's end it here for now. I'm going to do another video and we are going to start relating this to math. So we're going to talk about what the domain and range look like and really what a function is in terms of math and numbers. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.